Jamie claims that the shape has no order of rotational symmetry but has reflective symmetry. Susan argues that the shape has an order of rotational symmetry because it fits exactly onto itself once in a complete turn. Who is correct? Clear logic. Your choice, Jamie, is sound and 100% true. If the dotted line is a line of symmetry, and this is a mirror half of a twitty shape, then draw the other mirror half and complete the twitty shape. Click on eyes when it is completed. Strong choice. Yes is the right answer. Draw what the following shapes would look like on 100 turn and half a turn. Click on eyes when it is completed. Correct. Yes is the right answer. Determine whether the figure has line symmetry, rotational symmetry, both, or neither. Nice selection. Both is the correct and valid answer. Draw a line of symmetry for the given shape. Click on ice when it is completed. Good job. Your answer yes works well here. Find whether the shape has vertical symmetric or horizontal symmetric. Smart pick. Vertical symmetric is the correct choice. Which of the given pictures will look exactly the same on the one-piece 6-turn? Bravo! A, C, D is the answer. Based on the rate of change, how many circles would come next? Perfect. 9 is the correct choice. How many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? Well done. Zo is the right choice. What is the order of rotation in the recycling symbol? Correct response. 3 is the most accurate answer. After which turn picture 1 will look like picture 2. Valid point. 1/4 is true. Find the order of rotational symmetry in this shape. Nicely done. 4 is a solid answer. If we fold a shape along a dotted line such that one half of the shape covers the other half completely, then these two halves are called dash. Right again. Mirror halves is a valid answer. My name starts with a letter that can be divided into two mirror halves. If my name is given in one of the 4 options, then what is my name? Excellent. Adolescent is a brilliant choice. Is the shape are divided into 2 mirror halves? On track? Yes is the correct answer. Shivani asks Roop to select a word which remains exactly the same after a half turn. Which of the following words should Roop choose? Aw. Solid response. Swims is a valid choice. How much is the cat rotated? Smart move. 1/4 is an accurate answer. Find the symmetric. You got it. Your choice none is right. Which of the following letters does not have line symmetry, but has rotational symmetry? Sharp thinking. Z is the right choice. Which of these numbers looks the same from right to left and from left to right? You're right. Walk 234 is the correct answer. Which of the following options will look exactly the same after a half turn? Well reasoned. All of the above is the correct choice. What number is missing in this pattern? 327, 330, 339-351, 357. Nice work. You chose 345 and it is correct. Which of the following plane figure has exactly 4 lines of symmetry? Right choice. Square is the best answer. Which of the following number will look the same after 1.2 turn? Well picked. None of these is the correct answer. Which letter will look same after half and 1/4 turn? Great thinking. O is the right choice. How many alphabets have only horizontal line of symmetry? Great job. 5 is the accurate answer. Find the word where each letter has one line of symmetry. Excellent choice. None of the above is the right answer. A circle has dash number of lines of symmetry. Good thinking. Infinite to countless is the right answer. Which triangle can have 3 lines of symmetry? Exactly. Equilateral triangle makes sense, and it is right choice. Which word will look same after half turn? You chose noon, and it is correct. Which number has 2 lines of symmetry? Valid point. 8 is true. Dash dash 450 300 250 200. Bra 100 450 is the answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Good job. Your answer, contact Narayan Changda on Facebook, works well here.